What is good, YouTube, man? It's your boy Dejan, man, back with another video, man. I know I haven't uploaded a video in a long time, but we back with it, man. But I don't want to, talk too much. I just want to talk about this trade that I took, or multiple trades that I took throughout the week. It's gonna be a very short video about my break and retest strategy that I use. It's very simple. Um, so let's go and get straight into it, man. So what we're seeing here on NAS 100. I always before, wait, whoa, what just happened? So always before, I like to see what the market is doing. As you can clearly tell, we are in a look very neutral, but we're in a downtrend here. So what I'll be thinking is about sales, but now NAS 100 has been supported resistance, as you can tell, my opinion. But I really don't really want to confuse it or be confusing with you guys. So I'm going to make it really simple here. So every day, 8:30 p.m. when market opens, I go on a 5-minute chart and I mark up yesterday's highs and yesterday's lows. So since it's a Monday, I'm going to mark up. Let me move this out the way. I'm going to mark up Friday's lows. Where is it at? Friday lows here and Friday highs right about here. Where is it? Right about here. And what I do here, I wait for market to open, which is just like I said earlier, which is 8:30. So let's go ahead and play out this tape here. I wait for the first candle to form on the 5-minute chart. I always stay on the 5-minute chart. Now if I want more confirmation, then I go to the 15, 30, and the hourly, sometimes the 4-hour as well. And I mark up the first candle on the 5-minute chart here, 8:30, as you guys can see there. And I wait for a strong displacement above these two lines that I drew here. I need a hard displacement up or a hard displacement down. So as you can clearly tell here, we got a strong displacement back up. So now I look for a retest or a order block, and then I'll get in. That's cool, man. Now, as you can clearly tell, now I do have different, confluences with when it comes to trading. But just for try to keep it simple really quick, I'm just gonna draw out this order block here. Now, since we are already at this high on the on Friday's high, I need a retest at this Friday's high here for me to get in. I don't want to get in here and then end up getting stopped out because of resistance. I mean support. Sorry. Which one? Same thing. No matter. Now, yes, it broke. Now I need a retest or a candle closure. I mean retest or order block, which it just gave again. So I'm gonna draw out this here, draw out this order block here. And what I'll wait for is what I'm looking for. I need a strong displacement. I need a strong candle to break above, and I will get in. Now, as you clearly tell here, me personally, I believe, I think I did. I got in on this trade here as it broke. Sometimes I wait for a candle closure above. But I got in there and my stops will be right there, and I'll be looking for a 1 to 2. Yep. Looking for a 1 or 2 here. 1 or 2 or 1 to 1, depending, how much I'm up. But, thank God it hit my TP there, and that's really it, man. I don't want to overcomplicate the strategy here, and we had these highs here. I don't want to overcomplicate it right now. I just wanted to really make a quick video just about, the trades that I took, and, took this trade live actually on a Monday, so thank God I made a lot of money that day. But yeah, that's really it. Breaking retest. Yes, I know that we are, you know, we was in a downtrend for quite some time, but sometimes the market needs a break. And sometimes you have to adjust. Yes, I was looking for a sell at first, but I'm just trading my way, man. That's all I'm doing. Trading the strategy the right way. I'm doing what I'm supposed to. And I've been trading for quite some time now. I didn't get in here just for the simple fact that, just like I said, we was already at Friday's highs, so I needed a retest above these highs here, above Friday's high or order block, and then I get in. And thank God it went my way. So that's about it, man. And I know I've been gone for a minute. I am coming back. Every single trade I take, I'm going to post on YouTube. And I know this video was not the best, example, I guess, or best explanation, but I try to keep it brief. I gotta try to keep it short with you guys. And yeah, it feels like I'm on a time crunch here because I don't want to be too loud and I don't want to wake anybody up. So yeah, man, I hope you guys enjoyed, man. I love you guys, bro. You guys have a good night, and I see you guys, I think, Tuesday, because market is closed Monday. It's a bank holiday. So you guys be smooth, man.